Welcome to the Blockchain Report. We discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we're diving into the Pontem Lumio testnet. This is a beta testnet where we will test the Lumio layer 2. We will obtain tokens from a faucet, explore Liquidswap for testnet, USDT, and Bitcoin, and delve into swaps and liquidity pools. Now, Pontem has a wallet that is built on Aptos, and they have a Liquidswap, which is also built on Aptos, and they're building Lumio.io on Ethereum. So I started using them when I first got into Aptos, and I haven't really used them much, but they have a wallet that I use and or that I've used, not used regularly. But we'll dive into this testnet and hopefully be able to qualify for a future airdrop. But before we actually get started, thank you so much for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think would be interested in blockchain technology, all the fun stuff we get to learn, and the cool rewards we earn along the way. And if you have any questions, comments, need any help with any of the stuff we cover here, the airdrops and projects that we talk about, campaigns and quests, get in the Discord. Link is in the description of the video below. So get in there, connect with me and others, and let's grow in the space together. So let's get started. So shout out to Lumio beta testers. Dive into our tutorial to seamlessly switch to Lumio, Pontem's Ethereum Rollup with Move VM support. You'll learn how to obtain NAT from the faucet, and then other whitelists are coming soon. So I think I actually need to take off all of these. Okay. So my Pontem wallet is deactivated. Let me see. Oh. I don't even know if I have anything in here. Nope. No assets on the Pontem. I think I use this for testnet or something. I don't know. Nope, nothing in here. And if you don't have the Pontem wallet, just come to the Twitter page and go to their website. I think they should have it there. Or check in your extensions tab. But yeah, they have the Pontem wallet here if you want to get it straight from the website, pontem.network. And since this is a testnet, we can go ahead and switch this over to Lumio L2, right up here where account. You click on this little network right here and you can switch. So we can go to Lumio L2 and then click this little icon right here. Oh. And it looks like you need to be whitelisted. Dang. That's okay. I'll still kind of cover this. If you're able to get whitelisted, ooh, on Topaz. So Topaz market. Let's see if we can find an NFT on here. Let's see if we can find one of these Aptos NFTs. So what NFT was it? So the Lumio, let's check Lumio. I wonder. I wonder if I can find him somewhere. The Lumio. Yeah, trying to find this NFT is so they minted an NFT on Topaz, but I'm trying to find out if I can buy it somewhere. Yeah, if anyone out there knows, that would be nice. No. That's pretty funny. Yeah, I don't see anything on the Topaz. Strange. This must have been a while ago. Well, oh, here we go. Whitelist to earn. Okay, so let's see. What's the name of it? Whitelist to earn. Nope. So there is nothing about this anywhere. How unfortunate. Well, if you're able to find out more information on... Okay, more whitelists are coming soon. So when you're able to get a whitelist, come in here and get the faucet. And you'll see the native coin, NAT, and we'll be able to go to Liquidswap. And this is a great guide. It kind of breaks it down step by step. And then you can swap and add liquidity. But I'm gonna close this, close that. Hit the Pontem wallet. There we go. So since I don't have anything on here, I can't. Yeah, I can't do anything. But that's okay, because we'll come in here, and when you do have funds, just go ahead and make your swap, just like it says in the guide. Do your token swap, and then take those tokens and go over to the liquidity pool. You can do USDT ETH, and then put them in balanced proportions. So if you want to do $1 USDT, put $1 in Ethereum. And that way you can get some, you don't have to use a lot of funds. So you put a little bit of Bitcoin, a little bit of ETH. And there's also if you connect the wrong account, but yeah, pretty simple. It's a good little test net to interact with when you do get access, but keep an eye out on their Twitter and get in their Discord. I'm actually going to get in their Discord now, so that way I can so I can be up to date on the whitelist, because I would like that. I would like that very much. And yeah, if you have any questions, comments, stay updated in the Discord. I will post more about this and see what I find. So I'll check out their Discord and see what the lay of the land is. But that is all I really wanted to cover. It's short, sweet, simple, and I'm gonna open this in another window. But yeah, get in here, keep an eye out, join their Discord, and try and get in that early access. But I appreciate y'all so much. Have a wonderful day. With that, this is the Blockchain Report. Peace, homies.